Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export unmodified original quality photos from the Photos app on the latest IpadOS 26 and save them directly to an external hard drive. This is perfect if you want to keep your full resolution originals or create a proper backup. First, you're going to plug your external hard drive into your iPad. If your drive needs more power, make sure you're using powered USB hub or the Apple USB-C digital AV multi-port adapter. Once connected, open the Files app to confirm your drive appears on the sidebar. If you see it there, you're good to go. So you're going to just close the Photos app first, go to the apps, and see our external hard drive is present here. And that's good. So next is we're going to go back to our Photos app. This one here. So I noticed a bug in the IpadOS. So when I updated to IpadOS 26, as you can see, previously you're going to just export them, like going to share, and then you'll try to find the icon where you can export the photos, the unmodified photos, in the modal that will appear. This thing here, the like squarish design that pops up, that is called modal. And now with the IpadOS 26, you cannot scroll to this modal. And the fix that I found is to if you can find this part here, that is indicator where you can modify the size of the app. So if you're going to press that a long press, not too long press, maybe hard press, or you can drag the app's width or size, and you can minimize the width until you can see the icons of the exporting options. So here you can now see the export unmodified originals. So you select that, and then you're going to look for the external hard drive. So there, you can create a new folder called Tino Videos 2025, and then you save your files there. So that's it. That is how to export unmodified photos from the Photos app to an external hard drive using the latest IpadOS 26. And I think this video is long enough that this is not considered by YouTube as a shorts video. And that's it. What else do I need to say here? Yeah, and that's it. That's how you export unmodified full quality photos and videos from the Photos app to an external hard drive using IpadOS 26. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more guides. Yeah, right, 4 minutes, so I think that is enough to be considered as a long form video. Right, cool, thanks, bye bye.